Hi everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500 LT. This model comes in a blue exterior with a black interior. Come around to the back here. This is a 4-door model. Just have a slow opening gate, very handy. Plenty of storage space here in the back. Some brand new all-weather mats there as well. Apologize, it's a very busy day here in the shop. A little noisy. You can see our rear seats here. Lots of space back here for your passengers or additional storage. Take a quick look up at the front of the vehicle. See the Silverado badging throughout. Running boards here so you can easily hop on in. Got our driver door controls here. Driver seat controls. Driver seat. Steering wheel. Leather seats throughout the vehicle, as well as that leather wrapped steering wheel. Go ahead and hop inside. We do have a turnkey ignition. Mileage on this vehicle is currently at 88,397. And you can see our touchscreen display here. You can control your audio, navigation, as well as your backup camera. Below that, we'll find our climate control, shifter, cup holder, center console storage. Yeah, as you'd expect, there's definitely different modes here, depending on what you're hauling. And if you'd like to see any photos or get any additional information, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.